In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix screen recording failed to save. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So the main reason normally this problem happens is because of your storage. Simply open your settings, go to general, and then head into iPhone storage and check if you have available space. As you can see, sometimes problem occurs because there's going to be no enough space for your device to save all the screen recordings in. Once you've tried freeing up the storage space, and if you still have the problem, try restarting your mobile device. The other thing you want to simply go ahead and do is simply head into settings and then look for screen time. So it's right around here. Click on screen time. And once you do that, simply look for content and privacy restrictions. So right over here, and ensure that screen recording is set to allowed right over here, as you can see. So I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.